Hi there, welcome to Moto Fury. Our objective is to bring you quality content of true moments captured on biker cams. We believe this offers great educational value for our viewers. So if you're new, consider subscribing, and never miss a video. Anyway, have a great day. And drive safe. Looks like people will never learn how to obey the laws of the road. Hello and welcome everyone to yet another episode on Crazy Drivers. As long as these people exist, we'll keep making more videos on them to help you get a better understanding of what to expect the next time you drive your car. Let's begin the video.
First thing, I'm a cyclist.
Get the f away.
Second thing, you're supposed to be within 3 feet of the curb. 3 feet.
I'm gonna call the police.
Not the middle of the
Get
goddamn
back in
lane.
your car. I'm gonna call Slovenia.
Go ahead.
I will.
Go ahead.
Get out. You're harassing
Don't
me.
ride in the middle of the
Get in your car and go. Got your license plate in your face. Thank you.
Sometimes you may encounter very funny incidents while you are in traffic. You will laugh at this man a lot. While this man is looking at the biker, he does not notice the car in front and crashes into him. The funny part is that the man ran without even looking back. Police controls are strict in America. If you drive fast and madly, you may be stopped by the police. But this is a different country. In this video, the vehicle that enters the corner very fast crashes into the men driving the ATV and turns everything into a battlefield. Let's see.
Ça va?
Ouais, ça va.
Oh putain, c'est pas vrai. Oh fuck.
Ah, vous m'avez pas vu là.
Ah non, pas du tout. Oh la vache, je vous ai pas vu du tout.
This biker is experiencing an interesting event. What would you do if someone tried to attack you for no reason while you were cycling? Crazy man chases biker shouting.
What do you mean, bro?
The curious biker follows the madman and catches him. Then an interesting dialogue begins. The crazy man gets on the bike. The biker doesn't want to take him and he fires him.
We can't give you lifts, man. We've got L plates.
Give me a lift, you got beef with me.
Huh?
You're gonna give me a lift, you got beef with me.
I don't have any beef with you, man.
Can you give me a lift?
I'm really sorry, man.
Bitting.
Huh?
The bitting.
Just up there?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, off you get, man. I got literally... Because I can't take you.
Let's go. You ain't gonna care, let's go.
Bro, I
Let's go.
can't...
You said you'd give me a lift, let's go.
I honestly, I can't take you, man. I'm really sorry, man. But...
I think a mirror should be placed at every corner. This biker is moving fast and avoids hitting an oncoming vehicle at the last minute. Car drivers may have trouble seeing bikers. This is because the engines are small and go fast. In this case, car drivers need to look more carefully in their mirrors. In this video, the car driver does not see the biker and sets off. The biker gets very angry about this.
Are you fucking stupid? Fucking look!
Driving a motorcycle is more difficult and dangerous than driving a car. This can cause bikers to become irritable and aggressive. In this video, the woman who attacked the bikers with a shovel looks quite angry. Bikers come back and women argue.
Ой, пизда. Баран. Давай, Ja, koliko sta pa šla? Ne, jaz ne vem, nimam števca. Ja, ful se vidi, evo, iz te strani. Lepo sem, no, dajte se malo obnašati, no. Zakaj? Šla, če motor sploh ne gre več kot 30 na klanc. Kdaj? A vidiš ti to kar nekaj obsoja, kurva, ej. Materna. Kaj tle nek... Aha, jaz, ja, ti ka mečeš tle neki na cesto gor.
Did I?
You scared the shit out of me.
Did I?
Yeah, but don't worry about it. It's okay. I'm just saying, know that you're doing that to people because it was enough, man, that I ride myself. What the fuck?
It's the exhaust, huh?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
Know that.
I apologize, man.
Oh, man.
Hey, it's better to be loud and safe, though, than people not see you, but I'm sorry I scared you. I understand that.
Just like I said.
Yeah.
That's a cool bike, and I'm fuck you. You got a nice BMW.
Thanks, man. Sorry, bro.
Just FYI, it's kind of fun to talk to you.
Yeah, I like this. Well, you live out of this, or?
No. We just ride and do. Go ahead, man.
All right, have a good one.
Nothing is more dangerous than a car running a red light. The biker must be very lucky to be able to get home safe, but that doesn't mean he won't get angry.
Man. Oh, no, dude. Oh. I almost died, bro.
Bikers go for a little ride, but they enter the forbidden area. This woman doesn't welcome them at all and fires them.
This is not for motorized vehicles. Please go back.
Okay, can I turn around? I can't, like, can I turn around? Just...
Here and go back.
Okay, thank you.
All right?
I got you. Sorry, man.
When bikers get together, it's not easy to attack them, but this car driver chases them by harassing them. Then the argument escalates and they meet in the parking lot. The drunk men arrive in the parking lot and the argument continues. Bikers are never nice to guys who want to crush them.
I'm a 16, buddy. Come here. Come here, buddy. Punch me. I'm 16, buddy. I'm 16. I'm 16. You think you're making that call? I told you to try. Hey. No, chill. Yeah, you split the group. It's a split lane. No, it's not. Buddy, you cut it straight off. You cut it straight off. You gotta think you'd be making a big deal about that if you cut it off? You cut off the half the group. You split it too close, man. No, fam. You split it too close, man. We have you on tape. Just smarter. What the f***? Yeah, man. Get out of here, man. Oh, you guys. Get up and go. Come here.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are